In this video, I will share how knowing the connection between Marvel superheroes and US versus Russia Cold War can help you make $106,000 per year. You never thought your craze for Marvel movies would pay off, right? Well, guess what? It will. By taking advantage of just one free resource online, the Wikipedia page, you can start generating thousands of dollars every month by doing something that is both easy and fun. Hundreds of people are doing it. All it needs is 3 minutes of your daily work. Well, you can do more, but 3 minutes is enough, and I will show you how it works. The good news is it's free, the information is free, this video is free, and I will also share my AI software that I have built to do almost 99% of the work in the system. Of course, that's also free. Link is in the description. You can go get it anytime you want. You can use this software without any experience and any special skills and technical knowledge whatsoever and still make bank. And the chance for the beginners to get fast results in this historical system is super high. We know this system works because right now we follow the same system and get visitors from YouTube 100% free using 3 minutes of work with our software Epic. And we make $5 from every visitor we get from our videos, $5,000 from 1,000 visitors. And we made over $40,000 from around 7,300 visitors from our videos. To make these videos, we use our software Epic. If you hate being on the camera, I have good news for you because you don't need cameras to make videos using Epic. Epic allows us to make videos using simply copying and pasting free images, links, and texts. You don't need to record your voice using microphone because Epic makes natural voice over using text to voice technology. Epic writes the script for your videos using built-in artificial intelligence with a push of a button. And all the Epic users get the same benefit. All our users get full access to our videos as well. From inside their user dashboard, they can use our videos as templates and make their own videos using them. Or in other words, they can turn our videos into their videos in just push of a button. But we're not going to stop there. We will show you how these guys are making $106,000 per year using this new historical method and how you can start making the same money starting today. Before we begin, I want to talk about today's sponsor. Today's sponsor of this video is you. Yes, you are the sponsor of this video. We made this video and all our other videos in our channel for you, our viewers, so you can learn how to make money online the easy way, the right way, and the fun way without making mistakes, without wasting your time, without wasting money and energy. All we want from you is simply a hit in the like button, subscribe to our channel, and switch on the notification bell button. When you hit the like button, YouTube knows that this is a good video and that will serve our sole purpose of touching as many hearts as possible, changing as many lives as possible. And when you subscribe and switch on the notification bell button, YouTube will notify you as the most important viewer when we upload our how to make money online video. And when you share this video with your friends and family and social media contacts and all the social groups that you are a part of, like WhatsApp groups, Messenger groups, Reddit groups, Telegram groups, you will show your utmost generosity by sharing how to make money online information with others and take your part in changing lives. They will see your generosity, they will follow you, and eventually they will become your first customers. So go ahead, hit the like button, subscribe to our channel, switch on the notification bell button, and share this video with everyone. You see this video, this strange origin of Marvel comics on your screen from History Dose? I was watching this video because, well, don't know about you, but I love Marvel movies and comics. This video appeared on my screen. I couldn't resist but to open it and give it a watch. They share some real fun facts about Marvel comics and the US versus Russia Cold War, which I didn't know. Let me share a couple of them to show you how this channel uses this free history information to make $106,000 a year. When Russia sent their first satellite to space, the US president found they are far behind Russia in science, technology, and space research. They realized they needed more scientists, engineers, and mathematicians and other resources. That was the time when Marvel Comics came in. To inspire kids in science and technology, they showed through their comics that scientists are superheroes who save the day. A scientist named Bruce Banner turned into the Incredible Hulk when he was exposed to gamma radiation. And the infamous Tony Stark, an engineer, created Iron Man's suit. And so on. These are fictional characters, but this inspired children to look at science and technology in a different perspective and get into these fields. Now, what is this? It's history, an old history, but for the channel, it's being used to make money. This made me curious. How? Like, is it just about Marvel Comics? Like, we know it's popular, or do people really love to know about the history of anything they are watching? To check this, I went to Ubersuggest, my favorite keyword and traffic and analytics research tool, and I was amazed. There are 1.9 million key phrases with monthly searches of 100,000, 500,000, and more. There are millions of people out there looking for free information online to learn about the history of whatever they like, whatever makes them curious, whatever they are interested in. For example, people want to know history of Russia, history of US, even history of Netflix, history of Google, YouTube, Marvel. You can see there are endless possibilities. In short, people want to know the history of anything they are interested in. And that's a gold mine, as there is so much to learn and earn. And the best thing, history is free. History is in Wikipedia. So where is the money? Money is in the history. Since I loved Marvel and I watched this video, and just like me, there are millions of people out there who want to know more about the history of anything they like. This is what History Dose channel does. They have only 30 videos, but they are making a huge amount of money. 6 figures per year from only AdSense with only 30 videos using free information. That's amazing. Most of the videos have views in millions. If 30 videos can make them $106,000, imagine what 100 videos can do. If you notice, another interesting thing, they just uploaded this video, the Mongol invasion of Ukraine, 2 days ago, and the video already has 28,000 views. Their videos are just a plain combination of images, voiceover, and text. No camera facing, angles, zooming, anything fancy. On the other hand, we make $5 from every visitor because our offers solve big problem. When we promote Host Zpresso, we offer website hosting for a one-time price. Customers love it and we make $5 from every visitor. Similarly, with Shop Zpresso, we solve a big problem of online store creation without monthly recurring subscription fees like Shopify. So customers love it and they pay us $5 per visit on the average. From 7,000 visitors, we made over $40,000. How cool is that? I will leave the links in the description to Host Zpresso and Shop Zpresso in case you want to check them out. So we make videos every single day using 3 minutes of work per video, using my software Epic. Even Epic creates these videos in 3 minutes by doing nothing but copy pasting. Now the demo of Epic, how the Epic works in 3 minutes.
Simply create new. Give your video a name, select vertical and click create. You got a vertical canvas. If you want to add an image, copy image address from any free source. Paste it here and your image is imported. Now, you can resize it, rotate it, make it dramatic. You can add text, resize the text, and do all kinds of formatting. If you want to voiceover, and you want to copy from anywhere, you can do it. Just copy from any website you want or place you want. Click the text generator and paste it right here. Use our artificial intelligence to rewrite for you or use the spinner to rewrite, it is your choice. Let's use the spinner and the text you copied from somewhere is rewritten. Copy the text, take it and go to the audio section. Either you can upload your own audio or record your own audio from your mic or use the text to audio feature to add natural voiceover using the application. Give it a name, choose your favorite voice type based on text here. Then click Submit. Your voiceover is ready. Go to the audio section. And here is your audio. Your bite-sized video is ready. You can make it any length and you can add multiple bite-sized videos to make any length. Save your work to come back later and add more video sections. You can also use our templates, which we have designed for our customers. Once you are done, click the render button and the video will be rendered in the background. You will receive an email notification once the render is complete. This is exactly how we made this video right here. You can download it and then upload it or directly upload it to Google Drive, Dropbox or other platforms. Or you can directly publish it on YouTube or other platforms.
So did you see that? In just 3 minutes, you can provide the same value as a 10-minute video. It's incredible, right? Now, before you ask me why I'm specifically talking about 1-minute videos instead of those lengthy ones, let me tell you the 2 reasons for that. Number 1, YouTube is promoting shorts videos these days because shorts is a new feature on YouTube. And YouTube is trying to make shorts popular to compete with TikTok and Instagram Reels. Number 2, it helps YouTube get more new viewers on shorts and help make current viewers stay on YouTube for a longer period. So shorts is a win-win for YouTube, for us, the creators and the marketers, and of course, for the visitors who need information. When you cover a topic that is popular or yet to become popular in a YouTube short video or shorts, remember keyword history has 1.9 million monthly searches. You not only help visitors get the information but also make money for yourself. These 1.9 million key phrases equals 1.9 million different opportunities to make consistent income online. Let me give you a live example. I'm on my phone and searching with history. History, search and see my phone. First video, second video, third video, and number 4, this is shorts feed. You see all these short 1-minute videos. The first video got 936,000 views. Second video, 152,000 views. 9.5 million views and 6.2 million views. 6.5 million views, 275,000 views, 3.2 million views. Most of the shorts have more views than longer videos. We know this system works because right now we make our videos with Epic and we make $5 from every visitor we get from our videos. $5,000 from 1,000 visitors, and there is a never ending income stream that you can create with just a few minutes of work, because 1.9 million ways never end. All you need is my software Epic, do a few minutes of work, and that's it. You have got yourself a money-making machine. Oh, by the way, all the data you saw from Ubersuggest, they came from premium version of Ubersuggest. But in case you don't want to spend money on premium Ubersuggest, don't worry about it. I will download it as CSV file and leave it in the link in the description. So you can use the data to make videos on it using Epic. Epic link is also in the description. You can get it for free. Make short videos, upload on YouTube, get views, make money. Super simple. I hope you loved this video. If you did, please hit the like button, subscribe to our channel, switch on the notification bell button, and please don't forget to share this video with your friends and family and all your social media contacts and all the social media groups and chat groups that you are part of. WhatsApp groups, Telegram groups, Messenger groups, Reddit group. Share this video with all of them. This way, you show an amazing gesture of helping others, and eventually your friends and family will become your followers followers and they will become your first customer. And yes, everybody gets notified when we will upload our next How to Make Money Online video. And of course, all our videos will come with free access to our premium softwares, all the work that we do for you. So till the next one, take care of yourself and we will see you in the next video.